Bolochchi.
In a tiny bird village under skies so blue, something magical is coming true. Little wings are fluttering everywhere. Love and joy are in the air. In the bird village, in the bird small home, today's the wedding, the bride will bloom. The little bird princess shines so bright. It's her big day, so full of light. When the groom arrives, they welcome him with cheer. His family walks ahead, coming near. They say today is the wedding day. All the birds greet beak to beak on the way. Clap your wings and sing along. This is love, this is our song. In the bird village, in the bird small home, today's the wedding, the bride will bloom. The little bird princess shines so bright. It's her big day, so full of light. When the groom arrives, joy fills the air. Little birds sing blessings everywhere. An elder bird gives hands in grace. Friends throw flowers all over the place. Clap your wings and sing along. This is love, this is our song. Tiny chicks are dancing round, hopping softly on the ground, flapping wings and chirping loud. Happy songs are sung out proud. Golden sunset in the sky, two small birds are flying high, holding dreams and hearts so true, starting life as one, not two. Sing together loud and clear, love and laughter